My son Liam is in his second year of PFD and he is a 7th grader. He went from having 5 hours of homework every night to about 2.5 to 3 hours of homework because he knows how to budget his time better. He looks forward to PFD every Tuesday. He knows that he's going to have a good time. He knows that he is going to see people that he wants to see. I like the fact that it is teaching these kids to be responsible, respectable, that they can, even though they've been in school for 8 hours, they can sit down and they can give their attention to somebody else because they know that it's something that's important. I like listening to it as well. Sometimes I'm back there going, oh yeah, that makes sense. I should probably do that in my daily life too. Let me write that down. And so I'm back there learning at the same time.
I love it because I think it gives them a dose of reality. They're kind of sequestered in their own little world, and people are nice to them most of the time, but the teacher is so strict and the instructors are strict. And I think it's great for character development because when they go out into the world, everybody's not going to be kind and everybody's not going to be nice, and they need to know how to conduct themselves and still, get along in the world. So I think it's a great thing for them.
PFD has really made a big difference in Hannah's life. If she's more successful in the classroom, she feels better about herself. I mean, she likes it when people tell her that she's a good student, that she's organized, and they're impressed with what she's doing. And so her self-esteem is stronger. It's just, it cuts through her whole life. So PFD is, it's part of our family. Yeah, I teach at Cal State Fullerton, and quite honestly, I try to model some of the things that I do after what I see Sean doing with students. Some of the skills that he's teaching starting 4th grade are things that my master's and doctoral students need to learn, and it's the things that you look at it and you see this is the difference between the students who are really being successful, who are enjoying their learning, and those who are struggling to just get by. And so it influences me and the work that I'm doing.